everybody, let's glue book and my new geometric art glue book. This was the last one we worked on, but it was in this glue book. And I want to now, and then, no, well, anyway, I want to now start a whole new glue book with just my geometric art glue book. So I'm going to start this, and it's not going to be that much preparation. I don't tear out pages. I just glue them together. You can find these books at the Dollar Tree, these 3-packs at Walmart, and of course on Amazon. And then we'll play in some of these magazines and pull from different places. I'm not going to just limit myself to, you know, magazine only. Let's get started. Let's get started. And then I have my craft scissors, my decorative edge scissors. Not the ones I wanted, but we just go ahead and start with these. Ooh, they don't even cut that well. Ugh, right there. Oh, the way I'm going to prepare this is I'm just going to glue the pages together. Every other page. I don't tear my pages out. I just go ahead and burnish it down. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm not going to break the page here because I don't know yet what I'm going to do. And I'm also doubling up the pages because I may add wet media. So you never know. Here I go, breaking the page. I said I wasn't going to put any other color down, and here I go. I put the Tim Holtz Distress Ink in the blue down, and now we're going to get started. Later, I put down the raspberry color, and it brings it out a little more. It fills in the space a little more. You know, actually, I wasn't going to upload this video. I wanted to play in my new geometric glue book, and I'm sucking on a darn peppermint right now. Sorry, guys. What, guys? Anyway, but my tripod broke. And then my backup tripod broke. Now that was ridiculous. It was just ridiculous. The other one was old, so it was about time it broke. It's the same one I've been using over the years. But the second one was just a backup that my son had and he didn't use it. I ain't tell him, y'all. I said mine broke. You know, I got him out there trying to find me another one. I ain't tell him that one broke. I'm gonna wait until I get another one. He doesn't use them. But it was weird. I was just lifting up the head to the thing and it cracked. I was like, oh my gosh. So I spent a couple of hours. Look, I broke out the what do you call that? Duct tape, and tried to duct tape the head back up on the tripod because that's where the camera hangs from, and it worked. But then it had a weird angle and it shot back towards me instead of he's trying to buy the thing now, so I gotta go answer that. So go ahead and watch me play in my geometric glue book for a while, and I'll be back at the end of the video or towards the end to talk to you some more. I hate to say it, this is when it starts to turn where I take it to another place. I don't know. I kind of liked it before I added the doorway because I like doorways and stairways and things like that. But somehow it kind of messed. My little maximalist little heart, it just went too far, in my opinion. It just, and then look, why it was a why it. I think it just goes in another direction. I don't know, but it's still fun. It's so much fun to do these and playing these blue books. So it's okay. This is my first page. Now watch me like it a year from now. Because I notice a lot of times when I step away from something, I'll like it a little better. I wasn't going to put this one up. Like, I don't know if I said, my tripod broke. So I have a couple of older videos that, that I made. I have a couple of older videos that I made. So I had to put this one up. I wasn't going to put this one up because I take out, this was a half hour or so or longer video, and I take out where I'm talking about, this is my first time using the glue stick, but I've already talked about the glue stick in the last video, so I don't want to rehash all of that. Maybe if I lifted up the doorway, it'll look, and kept it, see, this is when I break out the sequins. If I took the doorway out, maybe I would have liked it better. I don't know. This glue is repositionable, so I could have lifted it up, but I didn't mind it when I was gluing at the time. Yeah, I have these sequins, and they work on my nerves, trying to put them down. Oh my goodness. I can't find that pick no more that I have. I think that's We Are Memory Keepers. They had a lot of utensils that used to, not utensils, but tools that came in packs at Tuesday morning. So I break out at the end the raspberry distress ink to bring out the paper more, and I like it a little better. I wish I would have just pulled up the door and just kept gluing, but I try to stop because I'm trying to, not go overboard. But I did add some sentiments, and I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. And if you've made it this far, you know how we do here. You can wave at me, put the wave emoji or the glue book emoji or the geometric shape emoji. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye. But wait, if you want to watch more of my geometric shape glue books pages, I will have them linked here.